this section here, because there's no windows to deal with right now.
Yeah.
So you guys can get the hang of it, and then once you get the hang, we'll be pumping this stuff out like crazy, and then I can put the rafters in. Okay, so make sure you got the ends the same way, right? Yeah. Lay them like that, and lay that one the same direction across the top there. Put them so the markings are up and we read it easier. All right, now we lay our 2x4s in.
To use a full 2x4?
Yep.
That makes it easy.
And then we'll do this one and this one.
And then just offset the next one.
And then we'll have a full piece here. This window frame. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, we do this.
What happened?
We do this.
Oh,
It's bombing uphill for no reason. I don't know why.
yeah.
Anyway, okay,
That
so.
happened to me.
We're not, yeah, 8. 8.
Yeah, the next one. That's what we're saying. We have two 2x4s, possibly 3, probably 3, that are all gonna be a ½ inch longer than they should be.
4-inch difference.
It's not a 4-inch difference.
Well, it's right at the start, so it's
It ramps it up.
Oh yeah, that's
like an inch.
Okay?
full inch.
And that's an
over.
inch. That's what happened is these 3 right here need to be cut down quite a bit. By the time, yeah, because you run up the angle. Cut those 3 out.
out, so.
Fun.
Right?
You only have to cut them individually. You have to cut one at like ½ inch, one at 1 inch.
Well, we just have to measure, make sure they're all the same length as that starter one, so